Hello everybody, this is Lee Phillips' Journey of Truth. We are down here at the retention pond area. Today is Monday, April the 14th. It is 2:40 in the afternoon, and we have what might be the last 3 dump trucks pulling up to load up the excess dirt coming out from the retention pond. There's not a whole lot left, and these might be the last 3 trucks of the main extrication of soil that will be coming out. Now there's still going to be some left, but for the most part, I believe this is gonna have them finished up with what they're gonna be hauling out. We've got trucks from PTS here in Loganville. We got ML hauling from Grayson, Georgia. We're gonna walk around over here and always making sure to stay this side of the cones, but we can give y'all a look from the ditch over here. And so here you see they're taking out the last bit of stuff over here on this driveway side. And we're going to walk down the ditch line here. Once again, staying out of the construction zone. And we'll give y'all a look from this angle right here, so you can see how they're going to be dressing that up around the culvert right there. And just a little bit more dirt over on that side over there. And I'm guessing once they get the okay on the grade, they'll pull the survey sticks on the mounds and take out the dirt that's on the mounds and remove it. But the stakes have to stay in case they need to do other measurements. Now, they might have a couple more trucks besides these 3, but the guy told me a while ago that they were just about down to the last 3 trucks. So we'll see how far this gets them. I think they're gonna have, because they've almost got the blue one filled up over there, and the white one will easily take the rest of what's dirt's left over there. And I don't know if they can get all of this right here into the brown truck or not. I'm gonna guess they might have another truck or 2. So thought I'd give y'all a quick update today. As you can see, it's looking really good up that way. By the time they get some grass seed planted and it starts growing and they get that first cutting done, we're gonna have a beautiful lawn to lay out in the sun and sunbathe right here. All right, blue truck is fixing to pull out. As soon as they get the traffic out of the way. So folks, they are just about done with the rough grading of the retention pond, and all that piping is gonna go in under the road, I'm told, and probably down that ditch line there. So a little bit closer. And y'all remember, be safe out there. Be good to one another. Do something kind for someone. And y'all have a blessed day.